When the power goes down on your job site, productivity stops and deadlines slip. I'm Dave, and after 15 years protecting critical systems, I'm breaking down the best generators to keep your job site running no matter what.
Number 5. WEN DF360iX. It stands tall among best generator for job site options with its impressive dual-fuel flexibility and whisper-quiet operation. This versatile powerhouse runs on both gasoline and propane, delivering up to 3,600 surge watts on gas and 3,500 on propane. For busy job sites where noise complaints can shut down operations, this generator operates at conversation-level volume, making it perfect for residential work areas or noise-sensitive locations. What makes it ideal for professional use is the clean power output that safely charges your smartphones, tablets, and power tool batteries without risking damage. The WEN Watchdog CO shutdown sensor adds crucial safety protection, automatically cutting power if dangerous carbon monoxide levels are detected in enclosed spaces. Customers consistently praise its lightweight design and quick setup, getting you powered up and working faster. The fuel efficiency is remarkable, stretching your operating costs further on long project days. With multiple outlets, including USB ports, a dedicated RV receptacle, and tool-free propane connection, you've got power options for every job site need. The 3-year warranty backs this reliable performer. See the description to grab yours.
Number 4. Champion Power Equipment 4000 Watt. For those seeking best generator for job site, it brings exceptional portability and reliable power in one compact package. Weighing under 49 pounds, this inverter generator is among the lightest in its class, making it incredibly easy to transport across work sites. You'll appreciate the 4,000 starting watts and 3,000 running watts that handle multiple power tools simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The noise level sits at just 64 decibels, meaning you can communicate with your crew without shouting over the engine. Customers consistently praise its easy pull start system, getting you up and running quickly when deadlines matter. What makes this generator stand out for job site use is the clean power output with less than 3% total harmonic distortion, protecting your sensitive equipment. The versatile outlet configuration includes a 30-amp RV outlet, dual household outlets, and a 12-volt automotive outlet for charging batteries. Need more power? Connect a second Champion inverter using the optional parallel kit to double your capacity. Plus, the CO Shield auto shutoff system adds crucial safety for enclosed or semi-enclosed work areas. Hit the description for the purchase link.
Number 3. WEN 5647i. Here's why it earns a spot in Best Generator for Job Site. This powerhouse delivers 4,800 surge watts and 4,000 rated watts from its robust 224cc engine, giving you plenty of muscle for demanding tools and equipment. What sets it apart on the job site is its impressively quiet 69 decibel operation, meaning you won't be drowning out communication or disturbing nearby work areas. Built tough with quality construction, this generator starts reliably on the first pull every time, eliminating frustrating delays when deadlines are pressing. The clean power output protects your sensitive electronics, like laptops and tablets, essential for modern job site management. Safety comes standard with the WEN Watchdog CO shutdown sensor, automatically cutting power if dangerous carbon monoxide levels are detected. You'll appreciate the versatile outlet options, including 4 120-volt receptacles, USB ports, and a 12-volt DC connection for charging various equipment. The onboard wheels and telescoping handle make transport across rough terrain effortless. Plus, the fuel shutoff feature extends engine life by clearing the carburetor before shutdown. Backed by a 3-year warranty, this generator offers exceptional value for professional reliability. Links in the description, don't miss it. Number 2. Westinghouse Inverter Generator. This strong contender for best generator for job site offers an impressive combination of power, portability, and reliability that construction crews demand. With 4,000 peak watts and 3,300 rated watts delivering clean power under 3% THD, your sensitive tools and equipment stay protected on any work site. What makes this generator stand out is its dual fuel flexibility.
Run it on gasoline or propane, depending on what's available, giving you options when you're working in remote locations. The telescoping handle makes transport between job areas effortless. Noise is always a concern on busy work sites. In this unit operates as low as 52 decibels, keeping your crew and neighboring sites happy. The remote start key fob means you can fire it up from a distance without interrupting your workflow. The LED data center displays fuel level, power output, and remaining runtime at a glance, so you're never caught off guard mid-project. With automatic low oil and carbon monoxide shutdown features, safety stays a priority. Backed by a 3-year warranty and nationwide service network, this generator delivers dependable job site performance. Find the link in the description.
Number 1. WEN DF680iX. Looking for best generator for job site? This one delivers. This dual-fuel powerhouse runs on both gasoline and propane, giving you flexibility when you're working in remote locations. The 224cc engine pumps out an impressive 6,800 surge watts on gas, providing reliable power for demanding tools and equipment throughout your workday. What makes this generator stand out on job sites is its remarkably quiet operation. Customers consistently praise how it runs everything they need without the ear-splitting noise typical of construction equipment. The push-button start gets you up and running instantly, no frustrating pull cord battles when you're on a deadline. Safety features make this unit a smart choice for professional use. The WEN Watchdog CO shutdown sensor automatically kills the engine if carbon monoxide reaches dangerous levels, protecting your crew in enclosed or semi-enclosed spaces. The built-in wheels and telescoping handle mean easy transport across rough terrain, while multiple outlets, including a 30-amp RV receptacle and USB ports, keep all your devices powered. With outstanding fuel efficiency and a 3-year warranty, this generator delivers exceptional value for money. Check the link below for details.